Okay, sum returns true if any of the values in the list passes the predicate truth test, short circuits and stop traversing if the list if a true element is found. So basically, as soon as this function sees a truthy value inside your list, it will just return true. If it loops through it all and did not find anything truthy, it will just return false. So this is very similar to every, and there is actually a small difference in the code. So let's just run their example. So node sum, this is the same one. This is true because we have this. It returns because of this, I believe. So if I make it empty string, this is false now. So these are some of the falsy values in JavaScript. They will be type occursion, I believe. This is called type occursion. It will just some values will be considered truthy, or some values will consider falsy when you compare them to true or false, or you put them inside the conditions. Anyway, so const sum2 will be equal to function that accepts the list function context. So I will assume that this list does not contain anything truthy, so result is false, and just return it. And in the loop, I will try to disprove this claim to find at least one element with truthy value. As soon as I see that, I will short circuit and return. So for each item of list, if we have the function, so it will either works on a function or the element itself. This example is working on the element itself. So if we have the function, we just need to check if we have the context. If we have that, function dot call, pass the context and the item, else just call the function with the item, and else just the item itself. So if this returns true, just return it. Stop the loop and return true. I can use their example. We should see true because we have this. Remove it. False now. Yes, this is correct.